What's up, Better Days? Today we're at Center Hill Dam. It's Christmas Eve and it's gonna be 70 degrees. I'm out here in the kayak and the generators are currently on. There's 2 of them running, but they're gonna turn off in a little less than 2 hours. So the water's gonna drop. It's gonna be warm and windy. Wintertime fishing at its finest. You don't get much better weather than this, so we're gonna take advantage of it. Oh. Skipjack herring swiping at it. Definitely catch a million skipjack if we want to. I'm gonna go ahead and say that right now. Because if this fishing ain't good, I may just sit here and catch skipjack. Oh wow, I had a little bite. Oh, I got a fish. Skipjack. Now I said it earlier, we can catch as many of these as we want. You want to catch 100 fish? We can catch 100 fish. Guaranteed. The same looking fish over and over and over. Tennessee tarpon. There we go, baby. First fish of the day. Get a little stink on your hand. There we go. Somebody's got him. Somebody's got him. He's eating it. He's got it. Got him. Oh man, my bail flipped, but I still had already stuck the fish. It was already too late for the little skipjack herring. You know, that's weird. I don't want to waste shiners on skipjack herrings. That is not good. This might be the only kind of fish we can catch on a shiner. They're wasting my shiners. I'm not gonna throw any more out there because that's all we're gonna catch. Skipjacks. There's a fish. Probably a skipjack herring because that's all you can catch right now. It's really weird. That's all anybody's catching. The skipjack herring. I'll get yep, probably another skipjack. I'm getting tired of saying it. They're hitting that top one today as well. Go. Another skipjack, stupid skipjack. This is not as fun as it looks. I know I'm catching a lot of fish, but I really don't care about skipjack herring. I mean, if I was targeting for like money or something, like if you was gonna sell them for bait or something, but watch how to catch a skipjack. Here's what you do. You throw your jig out, and then you just kind of give it a jig and then start reeling. And there he goes, he hit it. Jig and start reeling. Got him. And that's how you catch a skipjack. But that's not, I mean, this, like I said, this isn't something I would try to do for fun. These are gross. Okay. I'm calling on my skipjack fisherman buddy. Y'all come out here and clear some of these out. I need you to take about 10,000 of them. Alright, let's try a shiner again. We got away from those skipjack. They don't really live over here. They kind of live over there. So. Bass, you guys. I got a bass. I got a largemouth bass. Slow, no, he's a spotted bass. Slow rolling the jigs. Finally got away from those skipjack herring over here in the corner. Bass! I had told those people earlier I was coming down here to catch bass. They was like, what? Oh yeah, they're in here. Got one. Oh, D. Woohoo! Crappie. Black crappie. Keeper crappie. Look at there. Beautiful. Bobby Garland. Trolling is the most effective way to catch crappie. Trolling. So what you want to do is create a trolling motion. So I get this thing and I throw it out there and I get it near the bottom. And then I start slowly reeling it back to me. Okay? Oh, magnolia. Look at the black nose, D. Check it out, you guys. I'm out here with my buddy Don Lottie and it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas, buddy. All right. Look at this. You can't have a better Christmas Eve than catching a black-nosed crappie, can you? Christmas crappie, buddy. So, okay. Just picture the grid, right? They're in this area right here. And that's where we got to try and focus our efforts. I usually cast, for these fish, I usually cast over there. And then kind of bring it through here. Right? Now watch, look. I'm not doing nothing. I'll feel it. If something hits it right now, which a lot of times gar will, while it's sinking, you'll feel it. You'll feel a thump. And if you feel a thump, just give it a quick set like that, and that'll stick them. Yeah, they're jumping right here behind me. I'm trying to avoid those gar. That's where they play, is right here behind us. So once this thing gets down towards the bottom, then I start to reel it. Look here. Never stop though. And don't jig it. And don't waver. And look, what you'll do is you'll feel something. Like, it just won't feel like it does right now. If right now it feels like nothing, you'll feel something. Got him. It's off. It's off. Did you see the bend in that rod though? That was a hoss, dude. These were in my tackle box from millennia. The last millennia. I've had whatever these jigs are since the 90s at the boat. If you want to catch them, just do this. Look, now watch. Oh, I had one. Just pause it. There we go, got him. See, look here, look. If you want to catch these, we could catch hundreds. I'll show you how right now if you want. Cast. All right, set the bail. Jerk. Reel. Stop jerking. There he is. You got him. It's that stop that gets him. It's the 2 at a time. He got 2 at a time. He got 2 at a time. All right, we're getting blowed all over everywhere. there are sustained winds of 18 to 20 miles an hour with gusts of 30 to 40 miles an hour. We are really taking it on the chin today, but this is a good spot to go when the wind is like this because you've got so many natural wind breakers around here. You can tuck up beside a wing wall or something. And even when you're out here in the center, see, these waves would be white capping over on the lake side, but we've just got a nice little ripple, and that's because, you know, it's just protected down in here. Really, really protected from the wind. It's a really nice spot to go when it's going to be a windy day. I don't mind fighting the wind here as much as I do. You're trying to go downstream and the wind is blowing in your face, man, it's tough. I might try to go sit near the waterfall. Remember, there was a little less wind. I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of wind everywhere. Yeah. Check it out. Watch this. Got him. Got two. Got doubles. Double doubles. Double trouble. Two darn fish. Catching fish. You could put 10 jigs on here and catch 10 fish if that was legal. Like a sabiki rig. Something's eating my shiner. Let him eat it. Let's let him eat it. Eat it though. Actually eat it. He's got it. He just dropped it. Ah, that's a stinking old gar. There ain't no way that's an actual fish. Now we've got a skipjack. I think the first one was a gar, and then a skipjack come up and we got a brown trout. Brown trout. Ah, yes. Beautiful. Better Days hook set right in the lower lip. He ate a shiner. This thing ate a shiner. I'll be doggone. That's good. All right. Now I've caught rainbows and browns on shiners. That's good to know. He's a good size too. Come on. There we go. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful brown trout. Look at him go. Womp, womp. He's out of here. Delicious Funyuns. Let the fun begin. Well, I caught something, but lately it's all been skipjack, so probably what this is. Yeah, I've got a doubles on the skipjack. You guys need to come catch some bait? There's some right out here. All right, I have changed up to a couple of hand-tied jigs that were given to me by a subscriber. These are much heavier. We're gonna try. This wind has really been whipping us around, making it hard to get anything anywhere near the bottom. especially with those light little lures we were using. So we're gonna throw something a little heavier, try to get down there, try to get down past the skipjacks down to the crappie. I got one. Got a good one. Oh. Watch this. Watch this. Here we go. Here we go. What you gonna do now about it? I got Mr. Big Net out. You stuck in Mr. Big Net, boy. Yeah, we got you, don't we? We got you now. Who got you, baby? Who got you? I got you. I caught you. Yeah, you strong. You strong fish. Yeah, you are. You pretty fish. Look at there, D. Nice 2.5 foot long fish. Yeah. Ah! Ah! Stop it! Ah! Neither. Oh. Gar. There we go, big old fish. Bass. We're trying so hard to catch fish. This is so hard. I got me a largemouth bass here. But it's just so hard. Little largie. Large Marge. Look at the belly on her. Nice. Okay, I gotta let her go and get back to paddling. Ah, I am so sick of skipjack herring. Ah, dog it. That's a big one. Oh, doggone it. Oh, gosh. My last shiner. I wasted all my shiners today on skipjacks. And it's... What a Christmas Eve. So let's try to do a little tally there. What all we caught today. Skipjack, spotted bass, largemouth bass, black crappie, a black nose crappie, a gar, and a brown trout. 7 species of fish. What a way to spend Christmas Eve. What a special place. Don't forget about the wintertime special. I'm gonna take you guys out to Couchville Lake for $100. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day and a Merry Christmas.